Today I'm going to be making, of course, but I'm going to be doing, try to guess, drum more breathe, the blindfolded slime challenge. But here's a twist. I'm going to have to do these by myself. I have a whole nother bag just in case I run out in there. Like 15 other bags, but okay. So let's see if I can see out of this. Okay, I can see out of the bottom. Let's refold this back up. Oh no. Okay, this is really, really, really long. So I might have to get up to this. Okay, so what you have to do is I am going to fold this. Fold it in like that. Do that one more time. Then you have a shorter piece, and now you have to straighten it up. Now fold it this way. Blindfold that doesn't even fit me. Way too short for my giant head. Dang, that sucks. Okay, I think I folded it too much. I'm just gonna do this down. Man, I think this is gonna be the longest part of the video. We're just gonna leave it like this. It's gonna be really long. Let's see if I can see out of this. Ow, it hurts my eyes, but no. Okay. So you guys ready? I know I am not. Okay. So I'm doing the recipe I always do if you've been on my channel before. But let's do this thing. If I can even get this thing on. I probably look like a total retard right now. Okay, I did it. So I really hope you guys are watching. Oh no, here's my bowl. Okay, yeah, that's my bowl. How did I get this back out? Got it. Okay, now I'm gonna stand up. Gonna look down so you guys make sure I'm not cheating. I need to redo this blindfold. Sorry guys. I'll mess up all my stuff once I get this on. I need it tight. Okay. You ready? Let's see if I can see out of this. Okay, I can't. It's all the way down to my nose. My head's about that big, so hopefully it stays that big. Now that it stayed that big, I'm gonna tie it. I'm gonna tie it one more time. I think it has a little bow right there. Okay. Let's try this now. Oh yeah, surprisingly, it's too big. Gosh dang it. Okay, I fixed it, I think. No, I didn't. Jeez. I thought this wouldn't be the hardest part of the video. Okay, we're just gonna have to do this. All I care is that I don't see. There. Dang it. gonna go like this. And that doesn't work, that just pulls my whole head. Okay, on 3. Pull that up here. You guys see how miserable this is? It's so hard. Like that. And like that. And like this. Actually, no. Then, so when it's... My God. This has taken me 5 minutes so far. I did it, guys, I did it. Okay, let's get started. Got it. Okay. That's my okay. That's my gown of blue. Okay. That. I'm smart because a lot. Oh no. I got glue somewhere. Oh, dang it. Okay, I'm gonna do this blindfolded. I'm gonna get the food coloring.